Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can duplicate a layer in Photoshop Elements to create a copy of its content in the same document or within a different document. However, if you duplicate a layer into another document that has a different pixel resolution, the layer's content may appear a different size than you intended. To immediately create a duplicate layer in a Photoshop Elements file, click and drag the layer in the Layers panel to duplicate, and then drop it on top of the Create a New Layer button at the top of the Layers panel. Alternatively, to duplicate a layer in Photoshop Elements and set its name and document destination, first open the destination Photoshop Elements document into which to duplicate the layer if needed. Then select the layer in the Layers panel to duplicate within the initial Photoshop Elements document. Then select Layer, Duplicate Layer from the menu bar to open the Duplicate Layer dialog box. Type a name for the duplicate layer into the As field in the Duplicate Layer dialog box. To select into which document to copy the duplicate layer, select a choice from the Document dropdown. To instead copy the duplicate layer to a new document, select the New choice from the Document dropdown. Then type a name for the new Photoshop Elements document into the Name field. After selecting the name of the duplicate layer and its destination in the Duplicate Layer dialog box, click the OK button to duplicate the selected layer in the Layers panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.